Hello, folks. Before starting this video, let me introduce myself. Around 6 years back, I started my own journey, and we started our own outsourcing hub, and we started to work on console games. As before that, I was in a game industry in a professional, like I have worked in many studios in India on a senior rank. But after that, I started my own outsourcing studio, and around 4 years back, I started my own institution for game designing and development. And this year we started to develop our own first game for PC and PS4 and Xbox. We are trying to make it. So we are now an indie game developer too. So that's why I'm sharing all those points, because before telling you how Corona lockdown will become an opportunity for the game designers or CGI artists and how you can use this opportunity for your life. So guys, right now I'm getting some emails and some people are asking me because they are losing their job in this time, because this is a very hectic time, and just facing this time has been faced by all over the world. But guys, please don't lose hope, because in life, strong situations make you more stronger. So this is a strong situation which is going to make you more stronger. And if you're losing your job, or if you're thinking that maybe in future, maybe in after some time I will maybe lose my job, so what you need to do before that, try to evaluate yourself. Try to see, are you enough talented to stick in the industry? And if you're getting, yeah, yes, I am very talented person, I should stick in the industry, that after then also people or industries firing me, then the reason is your behavior, or some of your, or something you are not doing great in your office. Second thing, if you have been fired because your small industries has been shut down, then guys, think, because you have joined the small industries, they are not able to respect their employees and they are just only focused on their money, then I don't think that industry is good, whether it's a big or small. So you invested that lot of money, and right now you are without a job and you lose your job. Guys, think in a positive way. You have to improve your talent, you have to enhance your skills more, so you can able to create more jobs, not depend on someone that he will give you a job. You have to be establish yourself that in future you are the person who is going to create the new jobs for the industry. Do self study, take online classes, meet some seniors, do make some connections with people who are professional, but don't depend on something. Just improve your self establishment. After that, you will definitely get a good company, good salaries, and invest good amount of money in your PC. This is my first, and I'm forcing on this point. I'm really forcing on this point. You have to invest good amount of money on your computer, because if you don't have a good computer, you cannot do R&D, and if you are not able to do R&D in this industry, then you are not able to survive for a long time. To be able to be survival for a long time, you need to have a good PC, so invest good amount. As you all aware of the story of the Angry Birds makers, or just Temple Run makers, or the console industry maker of Kodio, like the game, the studio of Hideo Kojima, or the Project Solus, which was sponsored by Unreal. If you don't know, read out those stories. How did these those guys like grow themselves in that hard situation when they were not getting something, and they didn't lose their faith. They are always dedicated to something. So be dedicated. Even for that purpose, we started organizing seminars, because we are very professional in the industry, and I bet, I seriously betting, we are literally very professional in this game industry. I don't have much people in connection like subscribers and all, but if you are joining me, you are getting a good person who can train you, teach you the very best thing. And don't lose your faith at this time, at this critical situation. Think everything positive in that you have to grow more, and you have to be self-sustainable. There's no like freelancing ki koi kami nahi hai. There is a lot of freelance work in the industry right now also. Outsourcing is going on very well. You can make your own games, platforms are very easy, and people are, even if you will come in our seminar, we will tell you the technical stuff, the artistical stuff, the game publishing stuff, the designing stuff, the promotion stuff, the money earning stuff, the platforms, the everything what a game needs to be done. We will discuss every single point in our webinar. You can shoot any question, prepare your questions, whatever in your mind about game development. What do you want to ask? What are you stuck in your career? You can shoot us. You can, and seminar and webinars are totally free. Just for that, you have to be registered with me. You need to send me an email or just WhatsApp me on my number, so I can just keep you in my loop. I will send you the link for the webinars. It happens randomly, like every other week we organize seminars, and the people are coming from around the world in this seminar, because I want to create a new kind of environment in India, so people make their own games. We will create one industry. We will be self-sustainable. We develop we develop our own outsourcing hub. We, like in future, we don't. I don't want to be India should be depend on US or some other country for a development part. We started to develop, and how this happens. If you guys, if the youth, if the newcomers who is coming up will start, and how this happens, if the professional will train you, because the institution right now you're training, you're getting training, or you're investing money in your institution is completely a bullshit. I told you in one video before, if you're investing money in an institution, you are not getting the good amount of knowledge what it needs to be required to get a good game developer, because they are training you to get a job in small and medium industries, not for the high notch industries. And if you're not able to see the sky, you are not able to create the good amount of games. So for any form further questions, you can write me in the comment box. I'm always welcome, and I will try to answer your queries as soon as possible. If you like my videos, stay tuned with me, subscribe the channel, share the video, and just give me a thumbs up. And one more thing, one more very important point, guys, always invest a good amount of money on your PC, because your PC is the something is very important fact which is going to make you stronger artist, stronger technical director, or stronger game developer or publisher. You invested money in your gaming course around 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, 4 lakhs, or 2.5 lakhs, whatever the amount, and you are having a laptop or just a PC of 50,000 bucks, that's not enough. To work on good meshes, good topologies, good textures, good renders, and developing the engine work, you need at least a PC which costs around 1.25 lakhs. So guys, that's why we started our own course. We started a course in which we teach you guys the complete whole game development, which is completely online, and we take around 150 160 classes total, and the classes could be of 1 hour to 4 to 5 hours, because we need to, this is according to batch and the student capability. If we think the student needs more time, we give him more time. So this is like that, but we are focused, we are totally focused. If we need to teach you the good thing, we will teach you. In our webinars come, we will tell you the more story about the institute, the online courses and all, how you could join us. And I bet you, if you will join our online courses, you don't need to join any institution in India. I bet you can ditch an institution for sure. Thank you very much, guys.